everyone. I'm back with this round of edTalks about Canada's new language test rules for open work permits, which may be starting in a couple of years. Now, this is important news that could affect most of you, especially those looking to bringing their spouse along on an open work permit or work after graduation on PGWP. Starting in 2026 or maybe 2027, Canada is introducing a new requirement. You'll need to pass an English proficiency test like IELTS or CELPIP to qualify for certain open work permits, especially spousal open work permits under the International Mobility Program, IMP. You're already aware that you too would need to have an English proficiency to apply for a PGWP yourself, as announced earlier. Now, a key feature of the IMP is its open work permit, which lets holders work for any employer anywhere in Canada without job-specific restrictions. Now, previously, spouses of students or temporary workers could apply without proving language skills. Now, IRCC is emphasizing communication ability to ensure better workforce integration, job safety, prevent exploitation like contract managers or reduced compensation by employers, and improve overall job readiness. This is also Canada's way of cracking down on fake marriages and misuse of work permits while helping real families thrive. This is indeed a super fantastic move for genuine students and spouses. Now, why this matters to you? As an international student, this does matter because if your spouse or partner plans to work in Canada, they'll now need to demonstrate language proficiency, probably CLB 5 for basic roles or CLB 7 for skilled positions, though exact benchmarks aren't yet confirmed. Now, this change aligns with Canada's broader strategy to better integrate newcomers, prevent misuse of spousal permits like, say, contract managers, and support real families better. So, if your spouse plans to work in Canada, this affects you directly. So, what can you do now? Here's how to prepare. 1. Start language preparations early, enroll in English language classes or online programs now. 2. Select your test, IELTS or CELPIP for English. IRCC will require in-person tests, so plan ahead. 3. Aim for the right CLB level. Aim for CLB 5 at minimum, but consider 7 if you're aiming for skilled employment. 4. Check test center availability. These tests are in high demand, so book early and only in-person exams will count. 5. Stay updated. IRCC will likely publish these details in the Canada Gazette in 2025 with final implementation in 2026 or 2027. 6. Subscribe to reputable news or follow updates from Canam edTalks to stay in the loop. Now, seeing thousands of our students and recently meeting students who will soon graduate on campus, I see firsthand how vital this preparation is. You need to carve out time each week to boost your English and check out the local test centers. It might feel overwhelming, but taking early action ensures you're not caught off guard when the changes take effect. Trust me, it's better to be ready than stressed later. In summary, Canada is raising the bar, but it also is opening doors for those who prepare. Canada's new requirement for language testing on certain open work permits aims to ensure that those coming into work or join their spouses in Canada can integrate well and meaningfully contribute to their economy. So, be prepared. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you want more updates like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our socials. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your studies and your future in Canada, and see you soon.